I have recently been having some problems with my R6, stalling or bogging down on the freeway. And I believe that it's of a lack of air. So I went to go change the air filter, and I didn't know how. So I figured I'd make a video for you guys, showing anyone who this is their first time changing an air filter on an R6 or a bike similar to this. Because it's kind of confusing, so I figured I'd make a video. The first thing you're going to need to do is remove the seat. That's easy, just the two screws right there. And then remove these two screws holding the gas tank. A lot of people think that you have to take this gas tank off, which isn't true. It's super easy to do without it completely off, and it saves you some time. So just make sure these handlebars are straightened out a little bit so that you have some space to lift this up. And when you lift it up, you're gonna find this. So there's about 6 Phillips head screws holding that on. And once you remove it, which is gonna be quite a hard thing to do with a camera in my hand, so with the power of editing, I command this cover to be off. All right, there you go. So the guy before me installed a K&N washable filter in here. So if you've got a K&N washable filter, you just need the cleaning product. It's gonna run you about, in my case, like 20 bucks, but a lot cheaper if you buy it online. And the Yamaha R6 comes with a paper filter, so you're just gonna have to replace that. Super easy. You can get it on like Revzilla, I believe, or Cycle Gear, any of these places that sell motorcycle parts. You could probably get a filter. I'd suggest buying a K&N filter. It's like, what, 70 bucks or something for everything you need, and it's gonna last you for life. But that's how you switch out a filter. This just lifts up. So here, I'm gonna put my knee there, prop it up for a second. So this just lifts out. You want to be careful not to get dirt in those holes. That'd be bad. But then you just take your filter, and in my case, wash it. Maybe in your case, if it's your first time, replace it. Put it back in. We're gonna have a clean filter and a way better running bike. So that's how you change a filter on the R6. I hope this helped, guys.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you.